So this is just a quick new sewing tip or sewing tip video for people who are new to sewing. I saw a tutorial video for a skirt. I'm not going to name and shame the person who gave the bad direction because all their other directions were good, and two, it would be unprofessional. Hopefully they will end up seeing this. It's just going to be a short, not a full video. But when you have new fabric like this that has not been used to make anything. Hi, Riddle. Do you want to be involved in the video? Yes. Yes, you want to be involved? I know. I know. You want everyone to see you because of how pretty you are. I know. Anyway, but when you have unused fabric, you do not need to hang weights in it and let it hang to even or stretch it out after you have sewn it and before you do the hem. In fact, that can actually damage the material. What you should do instead is before you make a single cut on it, before you do anything, just wash it completely alone in the washer, no soap necessary, on a hot water cycle. This will, one, take care of any bleed that is in the fabric, but two, when you go to dry it, it will then pre-shrink the fabric for you. And then, as I said, doing any kind of hanging or stretching will be unnecessary. And after that, you should just iron it, depending on if it gets super wrinkled in your dryer or not. And then, yeah, cut and sew as usual.